Hi kids, I am Casey Kamak. Today we shall explore the software and peopleware components of a computer system. Please quickly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. We are looking at the software and peopleware components, the human approach. A computer is like a person. The physical body represents the hardware. The software is like the breath of the computer. Without it, the computer cannot function. The software component is the intangible part of the computer. You cannot touch it, but its impact is great. The software brings the computer alive. Without it, your computer is useless. There are two main types of computer software. They are the system software and the application software. Let's look at each of them. The system software. The system software controls the entire operations of the computer system. There are three types of the system software. They include the operating system, the device drivers, and the utility software. Let's look at the operating system. The operating system is the brain of the computer. It manages computer resources and also helps to boot the computer system. There are examples which include the Windows operating system, Mac and Linux operating systems. The device driver. The device driver is the organ of the computer system. Just as your organs like the eyes, the nose, the tongue, and the skin. That's how the device driver works. They make it possible for the computer to interact with external devices. Some examples include the printer driver, the biometric driver, etc. The utility software. The utility software is like the system of the computer. Just like your digestive system, respiratory system, the skeletal system, etc. The system software helps to keep the computer in check so it can perform its functions correctly. The utility software also helps to fight against intruders into the computer. Examples include antivirus software, the firewall, etc. The application software. The application software represents the functional component of the computer. It helps the computer to perform different tasks. The application software creates room for the peopleware expertise. It also helps the computer to perform different tasks. Some examples are computer games software such as Peopleware, Minecraft, Angry Birds, etc. Another example include the painting application software such as Microsoft Paint, Sketchbook, Adobe Photoshop, etc. the Peopleware components. Peopleware components are people like you and I who develop and use the computer. They are experts and professionals such as database administrators, software engineers, web designers, etc. You are also one of them. Thank you for staying put in today's tutorial. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. In our next tutorial, we'll look at the applications of the computer. Thank you once again.